In this video, I will show you how to create a Tonkeeper wallet. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the Play Store or of course the App Store if you're on an iPhone, and just go ahead and search for Tonkeeper. So what you need to do first is download Tonkeeper onto your device, and once you've done that, you can go ahead and open up Tonkeeper. So once you open up Tonkeeper, you'll be presented with a screen like this. And if you come down to the bottom, you can see a blue button here, which says create new wallet. So you just want to press onto this button, and then it's going to ask you to create a passcode. After doing this, you just need to re-enter your passcode to confirm. And then it's going to ask if you want to enable notifications to get notified when you received TON, tokens, and NFTs. So you can turn this on or come up to the top right hand corner and press data if you don't want to do that straight away. As you can see, our Tonkeeper is now set up ready to go. You can see our wallet address just up here, and that is how to create a Tonkeeper wallet. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.